Hello students, welcome back to studies. In this video, we will solve problems from exercise 12.1 taken from the mathematics textbook for class 7 by NCERT. Please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. In this problem, they've asked you to find out the numerical coefficients. So you have to find out the numerical coefficient of terms in the given expressions. Remember, we are excluding constants other than constants, right? What are constants? Constants are numbers which has got a fixed value. Now in this first expression, 5 minus 3t square, we can identify the terms, right? Which are the terms over here in the first expression? It is a two-term algebraic expression. You have 5 and minus 3t square. Okay, but anyways, we are excluding 5. Why are we excluding 5? We will not take this into consideration because it is a constant. It has a fixed value. So which is the remaining term other than constant? We have minus 3t to the power 2. Now, what they've asked you to find out? They've asked you to find out the numerical coefficient. What is numerical coefficient? Number coefficient. Okay, so we need to identify the numerical coefficient of the term, which is not a constant. So we have anyways written the term minus 3t square. So what is the numerical coefficient of this? In minus 3 t to the power 2, t to the power 2 is an algebraic expression and minus 3 is the numerical coefficient. Numerical coefficient is nothing but what is attached, which number is attached. What is attached to t square? Minus 3. Okay. Now moving ahead to the second problem. Now, how many terms are there in this expression? It is 1 plus t to the power 2 plus t to the power 3. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4 expression. Sorry. We have 1 plus t to the power 2 and plus t to the power 3. So this particular algebraic expression has 4 terms. Out of these 4 terms, which is the term which is constant? 1 is constant. So we will not take this. We will exclude this. The minute you exclude this, rest of the terms, please write it. So which are the terms we have? t to the power 2 and t to the power 3. Remember, if there is no number, it means 1. Correct? Now, in 1t, which is the numerical coefficient? The numerical coefficient is plus 1. In 1t to the power 2, what is the numerical coefficient? It is 1. In 1t to the power 3, what is the numerical coefficient? Again, 1 is the numerical coefficient. You should only take the numbers of these terms. Okay. Going to the next problem. X plus 2xy plus 3y. So we have 3 terms in this expression. Do we have a constant? Do we have an only number term? No, there are no constants. There is no constant in this problem. Okay, so first write the different terms. So which are the different terms? X, 2xy and 3y. Now if there is no number, it is 1. Okay, so we don't have any constant in this problem. So what is the numerical coefficient of 1x? numerical coefficient is plus 1. What is the numerical coefficient of 2xy? It is plus 2. What is the numerical coefficient of 3y? It is plus. They're only asking coefficient, which is a number, numerical coefficient. Okay, moving ahead, we have (100m) plus 1000n. So this algebraic expression is made up of two terms. Now there is no constant in this algebraic expression, right? Here you have an alphabet, here also you have an alphabet, right? So the terms of this expression which are not a constant are 100m and 1000n. So what is the numerical coefficient? What is the number that is attached to m? It is 100. What is the numerical coefficient attached to 1000n? It is 1000. Minus p to the power 2, q to the power 2 and 7pq. Both have got alphabets. As such, there is no constant. So the two terms are minus p square q square and plus 7pq. If there is no number, then it is 1. So what's the numerical coefficient here? Minus 1. What's the numerical coefficient over here? Plus 7. The next one, it is 1.2a plus 0.8b. So again here you have two terms and there is no constant in this algebraic expression. There are no terms which are completely numbers. So we have the first term is 1.2a and the second term is 0.8b. If you want, you can put the signs. Only when it is plus, even if you don't put the signs, it's okay. Because if you don't have a sign, it represents plus. But when there is a minus sign, please don't forget to write the sign. That is why always make a habit of writing the sign so that by default you know you have to put the signs. So what is the numerical coefficient over here? Plus 1.2. What is the numerical coefficient for the second term? Plus 0.8. Next, we have 3.14 r to the power 2. Now, one easy way of understanding whether it is one term or two term is to see for signs. Okay, so here you have 3.14 r square, no signs. Okay, all are, it is multiplication, 3.14 into r into r. So this is a one term expression. Okay, so the term is 3.14 r to the power 2. What is the numerical coefficient here? What is attached to the alphabet r square? You have 3.14. So that is the numerical coefficient. Moving ahead, we have 2l plus b. Okay, now this is multiplication. You have to multiply 2 into l, 2 into l plus 2 into b. Okay, so what is 2 into l? We have 2 into l, it is 2l, and 2 into b, it is nothing but 2b. So these are the two terms, 2L and 2B. What's the numerical coefficient here? Plus 2. What's the numerical coefficient over here? Here also it is plus 2. So here you need to simplify this algebraic expression first and then go ahead and solve it. Okay. Then the next one that they have given is 0.1y and 0.01 y to the power 2. So here you have two expressions. One is 0.1y and then you have 0.01 y square. What is the numerical coefficient of 0.1y? It is 0.1. What is the numerical coefficient of this term? It is plus 0.01. Okay students, with that let us wind up with this video. See you all in our next video. Have a nice learning experience.